Assalamu alaikum Muslims. In this video, you will see 15 tips related to Oppo F15. First is default SIM for calls. Click on settings. Now click on SIM card and mobile data. Click on calling option in default card settings. Here you can see three options. Either you select SIM 1 or SIM 2. You can also select always ask option. Second tip is default data SIM. Click on settings. Then click on SIM card and mobile data. Now click on mobile data option in default card settings. Here you can select SIM 1 or SIM 2 as default SIM for mobile data. When you switch SIM, you will see this message. Third tip is mobile data limit. Go into settings. Now click on SIM card and mobile data. Now click on data usage option. Now click on mobile data limit option. Here you can see different options. For data usage stats, you can select the starting date. As you can see, you can also set daily mobile data limit. You can see don't remind option also. You can choose it. You can set monthly data limit. When you select this option, your cellular data will be switched off once the limit is reached. Set this limit lower than that what you have planned because statistics may differ from those monitored by your carrier. So if you want to select monthly data limit reminder, then click OK. After clicking OK, you will see the data limit option. Click it to set the data limit. In MBs or in GBs, you can set the limit. You can also set monthly data warning. When you select this option, you will get warning alert after reaching the data limit. As you can see, now you have to turn on mobile data again. When you click OK option, you will see the option of setting data warning. You can set monthly data warning. It should be less than 1 GB. Fourth tip is Wi-Fi assistant. Click on settings. Now click on Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi assistant. For switching on this option, it will auto select the best Wi-Fi. Another option is also available now. Auto switch to mobile network. You can turn it on. After turning it on, it will automatically select the best network, either Wi-Fi or mobile network. Fifth tip is manage notifications on lock screen. Click on settings. Now click on notifications and status bar. Click on manage notifications. Here you can see the option lock screen notifications. Click on it. You have three choices: display title and body, display title only, and last is do not display. Sixth is battery percentage. If you want to see the battery percentage in status bar, click on settings. Now click on notification in status bar option. From here you can turn on the battery percentage option. You will start seeing the battery percentage in status bar. Seventh tip is real-time network speed in status bar. Click on settings. Now click on notification status bar. From here you can turn on real-time network speed. Eighth tip is wake screen when a notification is received. Go to settings. Click on notifications and status bar. Here you can see the option wake screen when a notification is received. Turn it on. Ninth tip, always on display. For this, go into settings, click on display and brightness. Here you can see the option always on display. Click on it. Turn on always on display. After turning it on, you can see other options. Schedule time. You can set the time for always on display. There is also another option. You can choose it to display clock only. So if you want to choose this option, you can turn it on. Tip number 10, home screen mode. Now again, go into settings. Click on home screen and lock screen magazine. Click on home screen mode. You have three options: standard mode, drawer mode, and simple mode. In standard mode, all apps installed are displayed on home screen. In drawer mode, all installed apps are displayed in the drawer. You can move important apps on home screen. In simple mode, simpler screen layout and larger icons. Tip number 11, block calls. Go into settings, click on privacy option. In privacy option, click on block and filter. Here you can see the block calls option. Clicking on block calls, you will see first option is block calls. When you select this option, you will only receive calls from VIP contacts and allow list numbers. After turning it on, you can see the option of schedule blocking. When you turn on the schedule blocking option, you can select the days and start time and end time. So next option is block all calls from unknown numbers. By selecting this option, you can block all calls from unknown numbers. Be aware that some calls from unknown numbers may be important to you. After switching on, you see that you can do schedule blocking and do not block repeated calls. In schedule blocking, you can choose specified days, start and end time. Do not block repeated calls after turning on this function. Second call from same number within 3 minutes will not be blocked. You can also block unknown numbers by region. By using add option, you can add the regions. Block one ring calls. You can use this option for blocking. Only applies to unknown numbers. Block calls from private numbers. This is turned on. Caller ID must be enabled to receive calls. Tip number 12. Battery percentage in status bar. Go into settings. Find and click on battery option. From here you can turn on the feature show battery percentage on status bar. Tip number 13. Do not disturb. Go into settings. Here find the option do not disturb, click on it. From here you can enable it. In do not disturb mode, all rings and vibrations are turned off except for certain allowed items, alarms and timers. Status bar will show a moon icon when you turn on do not disturb feature. You can set the schedule time. You can silence media when do not disturb is on by switching on the next available option. You can make the exceptions list of notifications, messages and calls. Here you can see the other notification types, status bar, you can turn it on. Similarly, banner at screen top, and third is lock screen notifications. In lock screen notifications, you can choose either allow and wake screen, allow but do not wake screen, or do not allow. Last option is notification badge. You can turn it on. You can allow messages from anyone, contacts only, start contacts only, no one. Similarly, you can allow calls from anyone, contacts only, start contacts only, no one. Tip number 14, switch off sounds. Go to settings, click on sound and vibration. From here you can turn on or turn off sounds. And dial pad tone, touch sounds, lock screen sounds, vibrate on touch, screenshot sound, fingerprint animation sound, deletion sound. Tip number 15, set icon style. Go into settings, click on home screen and lock screen magazine option. Here click on set icon style. Now you can see 4 options: default, material style, pebble style, and custom style. Custom option, you can customize the icons.